Hello cyclists. Today is Wednesday, June the 15th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 1 minute after 9 a.m. I just couldn't seem to get out the door. I'm riding the Linsky Helix bike today. Also, I'm wearing a new pair of Pearl Izumi Elite Gel gloves. The red ones. Obviously. The previous pair faded to pink from the sun, so it's time to pull out a new pair. Today's weather, mostly cloudy. 84 degrees, winds out of the south about 8 miles an hour. Could get to the mid-90s today. I haven't mentioned the ride or route today. It's a route I haven't done since, I believe it's November of 2020. I'm going to go north through Porter, New Caney, take FM 1485 northwest. But instead of turning onto Gene Campbell Boulevard, I'm going to continue on to State Highway 242, where I'll take Old Houston Road to FM 1314, and then back towards Porter through Briar Tree, Oakhurst, and then back to Kingwood. Maybe 41, possibly 42 miles. A roundabout in Woodridge Forest on Woodridge Parkway. .1 miles. Time is 27 minutes after 9. On my way to US 59. Average speed is 11.8 miles an hour. Riding time's 26:16. I'm on FM 1485, riding northwest. Stoplight was Vic Road. Have wind from my left side. 15.4 miles. Time is 10:21 a.m. Average speed is 13.4 miles an hour. Riding time is 1:09:08. Riding northwest on FM 1485. Approaching the Gene Campbell Boulevard on the left, but I'm not turning there, I'm going straight. One of the spots where the shoulder disappears so that they can have a left turn lane. Another place where the shoulder disappears. So we make a round corner up here, make way for a left-hand turn lane over there. shoulder returns at the gas line compression station. This is 18.7 miles. Time is 10:33 a.m. Average speed, a nice 13.9 miles an hour. Riding times 1:21:20. Around the bend, point us towards State Highway 242. Approaching the junction with State Highway 242. Not sure if I'll be able to go left onto State Highway 242 or not. .5 miles. Time is 10:40 a.m. Average speed's 14.0 miles an hour. Riding times 1:28:00. Looks like they're putting in a new bridge over there on on State Highway 242 to the north. May have to go on to FM 3083 intersection straight ahead. Well, I did not turn left onto State Highway 242. Construction has did away with the shoulder, so I'm going to continue on FM 1485 till I get to the junction with FM 3083 up ahead. Then I'll turn left onto Old Houston Road. Nearing the intersection of FM 1485, FM 3083, and Old Houston Road. It has been a long time since I've been here. Biking, maybe even driving. It says road work 2 miles on Old Houston Road. I have been reading about construction. That road needed some attention. Well, I guess we're going to find out how much. Riding south on Old Houston Road. This will take me to State Highway 242. Strong headwind. Looks like they're significantly widening it. Doing a lot of construction on Old Houston Road. In this section between FM 3083 and State Highway 242. Fortunately, the traffic is a lot less than it is on State Highway 242. 24.2 miles. Time is 10:58 a.m. Average speed is 14.4 miles an hour, or excuse me, 14.1 miles per hour. I wish it was 14.4. Riding time 1:43:32. Traffic light up ahead is State Highway 242. State Highway 242, where I would have been coming from. Wouldn't have not have been able to ride there safely. I'm going to go straight. Or State Highway 242 work. Continuing on Old Houston Road towards FM 1314. Had a pretty stout headwind all the way. Not too far from intersection where I'll turn to the right. It'll take me to FM 1314. .5 miles. Time is 9 minutes after 11. Average speed is 14.1 miles an hour. Even with the headwind, I've been able to hold that. Riding times 1:53:25. Approaching FM 1314, where I'm going to turn left. With the change in the route today, I think today is going to be like maybe 45 miles. Headed southeast on FM 1314. Up ahead is the Texas 99 Grand Parkway overpass. Thanks to the trees and everything on my right side, the wind isn't too bad. .3 miles. Time is 11:36 a.m. Average speed is 14.0 miles an hour. Riding times 2:10:17. Back at Gene Campbell Boulevard, I stopped at the convenience store for about 10 minutes. Get a break from the sun, cool down a little bit from fighting the wind. I think I'll stop at the Valero station at Sorters Road and FM 1314 and eat my granola bar. Riding south on Briarberry Lane and Briar Tree. .6 miles. Time is 6 minutes after 12. Average speed's hanging in there at 14.0 miles an hour. Riding times 2:28:54. I stopped at Sorters Road, Circle K. Had my granola bar and added some ice to the Camelback. Just turned left onto Bentwood Oaks Drive, heading to US 59 southbound frontage road.